Look at the size of this hodu in our neighbor's garden. Our hodu's been escaping into our neighbor's garden. And look at the size of this. MashaAllah, it's a heavyweight. That's a big hodu. That's a big one. So any more here? So we get more hodus coming. And the vines looks nice and healthy. There's another one here, look. There's another one here. Oh my god. That's another one. So we have another hodu here. Any more there? So our garden is on the other side of the fence, and our hodus are escaping into the neighbor's garden. So there's one here. That's the heavyweight. Beautiful looking vines. So that's our garden on the other side. Oh, there's another one here. There's another one here. There's another one. Okay, let me cut this one. Hassan, what do you know? Okay. Okay. What do we have here? Oh my god. This is a big, mighty bitter gourd. Big one. It's two. That's big one. And that's the second one. So beautiful looking bitter gourd. Now I'm going to harvest this mighty one. By the way, Akiv's in school. My wife's recording for me today. That's a big, mighty hodu. I think this will be our biggest hodu of this season. It's very heavy. Big one. Let's cut this one. This is another big one. My god, this is big. This hodu vine still looks nice and fresh. Be good for eating hot kishira. Getting plenty of more hodus. Beautiful hodu vine. Oh, this bad boy is heavy. Akif's going to be surprised when he sees this after when he comes back from school. Oh my god, it's heavy. Hodu vines, lovely hodu vines. And massive bitter gourd. Going to have to weigh this bad boy and see how much this weighs. Okay, wait there, guess what? Me and your mum harvested one of our biggest round bottle gourd of 2022 from the next door neighbour.
Oh my days. This is a massive one.
Try lifting it.
Oh my god. It's literally so heavy. Okay. I'm not exaggerating it, guys.
I was just about to weigh this. Shall we see how much it weighs?
Yes,
I bought this scale the other day, okay? So just put this on the scale. All right. Go on the other side. Go on the other side.
Ooh, can't hold this for long.
All right, put it slowly.
Okay.
All right. So now I think you have to
lift it up.
Lift it up and see how much this weighs. 11 kilos.
Oh my days.
11 kilos. And guess what? This is still edible. Look, still very tender. My nail goes in there. Look, try putting your nails in there.
Yes.
Yes.
It's tender. We could eat this one.
So my nails goes in there easily. So that's very tender. Now let's weigh the other one, Akib. Alright, now lift it. So this is 5.7. So this is half the weight of this one. This is massive. My God, honestly,
There's a big difference.
It's a big difference.
There's a very big difference between both of them.
That is massive.
Ooh.
Bitter gourd.
Oh, we also harvested some bitter gourd.
Yes. Do you remember this one we saw, when we harvesting a couple of weeks ago? We saw this one on the other side.
Yes, it was very small that time.
Yes.
And now it's gone really
Even
big.
this one was small that time, remember?
Yes.
We saw small khodu there.
Yeah, I saw it. Was there any more khodus on the other side there?
No more khodus. But we got some beautiful khodu vines. They're still nice and tender.
We can make some hudki shira with these.
Yes, your mum is getting prepared to make some hudki shira. Okay, I'm going to weigh this one. This one we've kept for seed. This is much more drier than this one, so this probably would be weighing less. But let's check it out. So I want to put this on there. Okay, come closer.
Try not to put any excess weight on it. Now remove it.
So this is 7.3 kilos.
7.3.
And this is because this one we've left on the plant to dry out. So this is getting really dry. So there's less moisture in this one. Okay, might as well weigh this one as well. This is the big round one that I harvested 2 weeks ago from the neighbor's garden. And this is kept for seed. This is really hard and dry. It has less moisture in it. So this is kept for seed. Let's weigh this one. Okay.
Now remove it.
It doesn't come on yet, okay, for some reason. Just hold on. It's not coming on.
Does it say anything?
It's not saying anything.
Put it on again.
Alright, let me put this on. Yes. Okay. So now, let me lift this. Have a look. This is 9.1 kilo.
9.1.
So this is 9.1 kilo. So this monster is heavier than this one, but weighs 2 kilo less than. Oh my God. This is heavy. Should be ready by November. So this is perfectly. So we're going to be cutting this open and drying the seeds, and hopefully the seeds should be ready in November.
If you want to get in touch with us, you can follow us on Instagram at Ali Raja Baganbari UK. We will leave our Instagram page in the description down below. You can contact us through the Instagram messages and we will reply back to you. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram. And until then, I'll see you in the next one.
Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright, let's take this in, Akib. Oh, this bad boy is heavy.
That's a heavy one.
Okay. So this one we need to cut sometime this week and get all the seeds out and dry them, get them ready. Alright, we need to cut this one as well.